in one of my interviews, I was mocked by the interviewers. I was really kind of mocked by the interviewers, but I knew, again I formulated my thoughts that okay, they want to see how do I take criticism. So I really took that criticism positively, and they were laughing at me. It inside I mean, there was some of my confidence got shattered, but again, मैंने सोचा no Nikita, they do not have any personal problem with you. They just want to see how well can you take the criticism. In this particular video, I will be going to talk about my interview experiences. I will be going to share stories regarding the same. और वीडियो के एंड में I will be going to give you some tips to crack your interviews. So if I look back and think that कौन सा इंटरव्यू मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट था, so I would say that it was I Am Koi Code. But what was the reason for the same? Why I felt that I Am Koi Code was one of my toughest and an interview in which I wasn't much comfortable. So I think the reason for the same goes to me only. I think that I wasn't well prepared and hence I wasn't confident. First thing. Secondly, it was my first time interview. Again, the same reason for I not being confident enough. And I wasn't much prepared, and I really think that experience is a must, and I wasn't having much of the experience. और अगर मैं बात करूँ कौन सा इंटरव्यू मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल था, then I would say it would be of IIM Lucknow. I was very confident in that interview. But I don't know what was the reason for it. Yeah, it was my last interview. But apart from that, like it was my only online interview. Like in Feb 2020, the COVID cases, there weren't COVID cases in India. There were COVID cases in other countries, and hence my all IIM interviews were offline. Just my IIM Lucknow interview was online. So maybe that's why I found it somewhat easy and comfortable. और सिंस आई हैव मेंशन कि मैं पहले काफी इंटरव्यूज दे चुकी थी, तो इसलिए मैं उसमें काफी कॉन्फिडेंट भी थी, एंड आई यूज द एक्सपीरियंसेस फ्रॉम माय अदर इंटरव्यूज इन माय आई एम लखनऊ का इंटरव्यू. Now, if I asked like which kind of questions were asked to me in IIM interviews, so there were many questions like which tested my learning from my undergraduate degree. Like I pursued BBA, so there were questions regarding the same. Like there were some questions like, okay, what's the difference between accounting and bookkeeping? Then some economic questions like how the GDP is calculated. Then marketing questions like difference between marketing and selling, and other management related questions. So like I can say, if you are lucky enough in an interview, and if your interviewer are kind or something of that sort, so they may ask you like, okay, what is your favorite subject? Like in some of my interviews I was asked, okay, what is your favorite subject? Oh, okay, name 3 of your favorite subjects, and then there would be questions on those subjects. But if that's not the case, then there were some like direct questions. Okay, tell me this, tell me that, right? Then there were some general awareness questions, like, and some general awareness questions related to the business world, because I was going into the business world, so it was expected out of me that I should know about the general happenings of the business world. Then there were questions related to my father's profession as well. Like my father is a farmer, so there were general happenings that were happening in the agricultural field. तो वैसे कुछ questions. Then there were COVID related questions. उस time पे, as I have mentioned, India में COVID कितने cases नहीं थे, but there were COVID cases out of India, and since it was a hot topic, तो COVID related questions भी पूछे गए थे मुझसे. Then if I remember some direct questions, so there were questions like, okay, what are the neighboring countries of India? There were some such questions, and then there might be some very specific questions like, okay, what is the length of River Ganga? Which obviously I was unable to answer. So I just said that I don't know. I don't went for a random guess. So, and in some of the new IIM interviews, like they have an extempore kind of thing. Like जब तक they will be going from your folder, they may give you a topic for extempore, and you have to speak over the same. तो उसके लिए भी your knowledge of general awareness came handy. Then next there were many questions on myself. Like I was a fresher, so how can they check like how will I work in the corporates? I do not have any work experience. So they can just look at your internship and then they may ask you personal questions. So like there were many personal questions. Like if I remember from my IIM Ahmedabad interview, there was a question like, does anytime your friend backstabbed you? So like I started thinking about the same. So first of all, I formulated my thoughts that okay, why they're asking me this question. There was nothing like they want personally about, but they don't want to know about my personal life. But I knew that there must be some reason why they're asking me this particular question. And I thought that they wanted to check how could I control my emotions, because that must be a very very emotional situation. जब your friend have backstabbed you. So first is that, and second thing मुझे लगा कि they are trying to check how mature am I. तो मुझे दो चीजें लगी that these are the two things that they are looking for. और मैंने अपने आंसर को I shared a very genuine incident, and I would really suggest to be very very genuine in your IIM interviews, because they are very smart to catch your lies. So just try to be as genuine as you can. So I genuinely shared an incident, and while I was sharing the interview, मैं emotional हो गई because it was an emotional incident. But again, I got out of it, और मैंने I quickly switched, or I controlled my emotions, because I really thought that this is what they are looking for. Then there were questions like, okay, share an incident with us where you showed leadership skills. So I shared one of the incident from my undergraduate college, and it was surrounding means girls of the rights in the college. It was not such a serious thing, but yeah, that was an incident where I showed leadership skills. And even while narrating the incident, again I thought that okay, what they are looking for, why they have asked me this particular question. And I thought maybe they want to see, of course they want to see the leadership skills. That's the very reason why they have asked this particular question. But in addition to that, I thought why not give them some other skills of mine as well. मैंने सोचा okay, they have asked for leadership skills, but I can show my other skills as well. तो मैंने जिस तरीके से इंसिडेंट नरेट किया, there was mistake of voice, but I never demeaned them even when I was speaking. So it showed that okay, I do not hold any biases. Even while solving that particular crisis, I talked to girls, then I talked to boys, and then I came to a conclusion. Like I do not get biased that okay, since a girl is involved, it was a very like small kind of incident. That since girls are involved, so I should take their side or something of that sort. So I think maybe that's something that they were looking for, और जो कि मैंने मेरे आंसर में उनको दिखाया. So these were some of the instances from my IIM interviews. Okay, so now in the next half of the video, I will be going to talk about what are some of the important things that you have to keep in mind while giving your interviews. So first thing first, go prepared. Because it gives confidence. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है that the questions that you have prepared, the same questions would be answered. Even this might be possible कि आपने जो भी preparation की उसका एक भी question ना पूछे, but preparation gives confidence. That's the case with me, and I think it might be case with many people. So go prepared. Then give as much mock interviews as you can. Like मैं अपने professors को mock interviews देती थी, मैं अपने friends who are preparing for the CAT. If you're a work experienced person, you can give mock interviews to your colleagues, right? Then if you can line up your interviews, like if you have this luxury of lining up your interviews, like you think that okay, this is my dream college, so you can put your dream college का interview सबसे last में, ताकि your other colleges का interview would be your preparation for your dream college, because experience really matters. You can handle situation much better आपके next interviews में. So if you have the luxury, तो आप अपने interviews को इस तरीके से line up कीजिए कि your best college is in the last, right? Then मैं पूरी interview के preparation को 3 parts में divide करती हूँ. First is academic, second is general awareness, and third is HR questions, like question on yourself. तो आप भी वैसे ही कर सकते हैं. Be very thorough with your concepts, because it shows that you have a learning attitude. आप चीजें सीखते हैं. Secondly, general awareness. Again, it is very very important to be aware in the business world. So they want to see that in general how aware you are. You need not to answer the length of River Ganga, but you should answer other questions, right? Some general ones. Then HR questions. And the best part about HR questions is that there is no right and wrong answer. You can answer whatever you want. Lastly, work on yourself. Just work on yourself. Even while you are in bed, सोचिए कि what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Or when I won't say that don't prepare these generic answers like strengths, weakness, tell me something about yourself, because you might be lucky in some of your interviews और जहाँ पे आपसे ऐसे questions पूछे जाए, and even if ये questions नहीं पूछे जाते हैं, you can use the content of these answers in your other answers as well. Hence, it's always best to get prepared. Then, hobbies. Yeah, you can play on your hobbies. Like in my IIM Ahmedabad interview only, I talked about dancing. So when you talk about your hobbies, you become an enthu person because that's something that you love from your heart. So, and they are really seeing enthusiasm in the interviews as well. तो और हॉबीज के बारे में आप बहुत ज्यादा बात कर सकते हो. तो just be prepared with your hobbies, know as much about your hobbies as you can. Then whatever word is written in your CV, every word there should be a story surrounding that word. क्योंकि आपकी CV में कुछ भी लिखा है, it is all you. तो आपको उसका तो एक एक वर्ड के पीछे सब कुछ आपको आना चाहिए, right? Then, for example, if the name of your undergraduate college is based on a famous person's name, then you should know the whole story of that famous person. For example, I come from Ujjain, MP. So, Ujjain, we have Mahakaleshwar temple, then Kumbh Mela. So, although since childhood I used to hear stories surrounding the Kumbh Mela, but I went there with 2 to 3 versions of Kumbh Mela stories. So, that's the kind of preparation that is needed. Then, in one of my interviews, I was mocked by the interviewers. I was really kind of mocked by the interviewers. But I knew, again, I formulated my thoughts that, okay, they want to see how do I take criticism. So I really took that criticism positively and they were laughing at me. Inside, there was some of my confidence got shattered, but again, मैंने सोचा no Nikita, they do not have any personal problem with you. They just want to see how well can you take the criticism. So there was a smile on my face and which never got fade. And when they were mocking me, I was like, okay, once you guys are done, I will start. Then they start laughing and say, no, we are done. Okay, you just go ahead. So yeah. Then for this general awareness, read as much as newspapers, articles you can, because it will come in general awareness thing. And even if they don't ask you a direct question, you can show off your general knowledge there. Then lastly and very, very importantly, you can drive your own interview. Yes. It mainly depends on the interviewee. In which direction do you want to take your interview? Like you can use keywords. Like उन्होंने कोई question पूछा, उसमें आपको force fit नहीं करना है, but try to make it cohesive. But try to fit it. At least you can give it a try. तो आप ऐसा कुछ कीवर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं जिसमें you want them to ask a question basis that keyword and you were well prepared उस कीवर्ड के साथ. For example, I used the word women leaders because in my mind I was all prepared that okay, if मुझे कोई women leader वाला question पूछ लिया तो I went prepared with 5 women leaders, 3 from India, 2 outside India, 3 from corporate worlds, 2 from other fields. I was well prepared and I deliberately used the word woman leader. And then they really asked me the next question basis the same. So this is how you can drive your own interview. So these are some of the tips. I hope this all helped you. Thank you.